Have you ever wondered if one simple drink could help you lose weight naturally? Every day, social media is flooded with videos claiming that chia seed water can melt belly fat, boost metabolism, and help you lose weight without exercise. Some people even call it a magic drink. But is it really that powerful? Or is it just another health trend that has been exaggerated? In today's video, we're going to uncover the truth about chia seed water. We'll explore what chia seeds are, how they work inside your body, whether they actually help with weight loss, the best way to prepare them, common mistakes people make, possible side effects, and who should avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll know whether chia seed water deserves a place in your daily routine. Let's begin. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are tiny black and white seeds that come from a flowering plant called Salvia hispanica. Although they are small in size, they are packed with nutrients. For centuries, these seeds were consumed by ancient civilizations because they provided long-lasting energy and nourishment. Today, nutrition experts consider chia seeds a superfood because they contain fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of their most interesting properties is their ability to absorb water. When soaked, they expand and form a gel-like coating around each seed. This unique feature is what makes chia seed water so popular. Why has chia seed water become so popular? Health trends come and go. One year it's apple cider vinegar. Another year it's lemon water. Now it's chia seed water. People love it because it's simple, affordable, and easy to prepare. Unlike expensive supplements or complicated diets, all you need is water and a spoonful of chia seeds. Many people say drinking it before meals helps them feel full, reducing unnecessary snacking. But remember, popularity doesn't always mean effectiveness. Let's see what science actually says. Nutritional value of chia seeds. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains approximately around 60 calories, nearly 5 grams of fiber, around 2 grams of protein, healthy omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, powerful antioxidants. The biggest highlight is fiber. Most people don't consume enough fiber every day. Fiber supports digestion, improves gut health, slows digestion, and helps you stay satisfied after meals. Protein also plays an important role because it contributes to feelings of fullness. Healthy fats support overall health and make meals more satisfying. Together, these nutrients make chia seeds an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Can chia seed water really help you lose weight? Now let's answer the biggest question. Can chia seed water burn fat? The answer is no. There is no scientific evidence proving that chia seed water directly burns body fat. It doesn't magically increase fat burning. It doesn't specifically target belly fat. It doesn't replace exercise. So why do many people lose weight after drinking it? The answer lies in appetite control. When chia seeds absorb water, they become larger and create a gel-like texture. This slows digestion. As a result, many people feel full for a longer time. When you stay full longer, you're less likely to overeat. You may naturally reduce your calorie intake, and when you consistently consume fewer calories than you burn, weight loss becomes possible. In simple words, chia seed water supports weight loss indirectly, not by burning fat, but by helping you eat less. That's an important difference. Benefits. Beyond weight loss. Even if your goal isn't losing weight, chia seeds offer several health benefits. Better digestion. Their high fiber content supports healthy bowel movements and may help reduce constipation. Improved hydration. Because chia seeds absorb water, they may help maintain hydration, especially during hot weather or after exercise. Heart health. The healthy fats in chia seeds support cardiovascular health when combined with a balanced diet. Bone health. Chia seeds provide calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, nutrients important for strong bones. Blood sugar support. Fiber slows the digestion of carbohydrates, helping reduce sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. The right way to prepare chia seed. Water preparation matters. Start with 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add them to 1 glass of water. Stir immediately. Leave the mixture for at least 20 to 30 minutes. The seeds will absorb water and expand. Stir again before drinking. If you like, add a little lemon juice or a few mint leaves for extra flavor. Never drink dry chia seeds followed by water because they expand after absorbing liquid. Always soak them first. Best time to drink it. Many people ask when they should drink chia seed water. There isn't one perfect answer. Some prefer drinking it first thing in the morning. Others drink it about 30 minutes before lunch or dinner. This may help control hunger before meals. The most important thing isn't the timing, it's consistency. Drinking chia seed water occasionally won't make a noticeable difference. Healthy habits practiced daily are what truly matter. Common mistakes people make. Let's discuss some common mistakes. Mistake 1. Using too many chia seeds. More isn't always better. Eating excessive fiber suddenly can cause bloating and stomach discomfort. Start small. Mistake 2. Not drinking enough water. Fiber works best when your body is well hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Mistake 3. Expecting overnight results. Weight loss takes time. No single food or drink can replace healthy eating and physical activity. Mistake 4. Adding lots of sugar. Some people mix chia water with sugary juices or sweetened beverages. This adds unnecessary calories. Choose plain water or naturally flavored water instead. Who should be careful? Although chia seeds are generally safe, some people should use caution. People with swallowing difficulties should always consume soaked chia seeds. Individuals with digestive disorders should introduce them gradually. People allergic to chia seeds should avoid them completely. If you're taking medications or have an existing medical condition, consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Healthy lifestyle tips that work better. If you're serious about losing weight, don't rely on one drink. Focus on the basics. Eat more vegetables. Choose whole grains. Include lean protein in every meal. Reduce sugary drinks. Walk at least 30 minutes most days. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Manage stress. Stay hydrated. When combined with these habits, chia seed water can become one useful part of your routine. Myths about chia seed water. Let's clear up some myths. Myth number 1. Chia seed water melts belly fat. False. No food specifically burns belly fat. Myth number 2. You can lose weight without changing your diet. False. Overall calorie balance matters. Myth number 3. The more chia seeds you eat, the faster you'll lose weight. False. Too much fiber may cause digestive problems. Myth number 4. Results appear within a few days. False. Healthy weight loss is gradual and requires consistency. Final verdict. So, is chia seed water worth trying? Yes. If you understand what it can and cannot do. It isn't a miracle drink. It won't melt fat overnight. It won't replace exercise. But it can help you stay full longer, increase your fiber intake, support digestion, and make it easier to follow a healthy eating plan. Think of chia seed water as a helpful tool, not a magic solution. Real transformation comes from balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, good sleep, and consistency. Small healthy habits practiced every day produce the biggest results over time. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried chia seed water? What was your experience? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health, nutrition, and wellness videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care.